Hi everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. Microsoft's Copilot is expanding again, this time with a major new feature focused on collaboration. For years, Copilot has helped individuals summarize documents, generate text, and automate workflows. Now, it's stepping into team collaboration, allowing multiple users to create, edit, and build together with the help of AI in real time. This new update centers on what Microsoft calls Copilot Pages, a shared persistent workspace that transforms AI-generated results into living documents teams can co-edit instantly. Imagine you ask Copilot to draft a project proposal or summarize meeting notes. Instead of the response staying in chat, you can now click Edit in Pages. The content appears in an editable document where teammates can join in making changes or add context. Everyone sees updates live, just like co-authoring in Word or Whiteboard, but powered by AI that continues assisting as you work. Copilot Pages connects directly with Microsoft 365 apps, meaning your work moves fluidly between chat, documents, and team conversations. If someone asks Copilot in Teams to outline a campaign plan, the result can instantly become a shared page. Colleagues can open it, expand on sections, and even prompt Copilot together. For example, add a competitive analysis or rewrite this section for an executive audience. Copilot remembers context across participants, so the conversation flows naturally, combining human collaboration with AI speed. Microsoft designed this feature to close one of AI's biggest gaps, turning individual insights into collective action. Traditional AI chats end once you copy the result, but Copilot Pages turns them into structured workspaces. Pages persist beyond a single conversation, link directly to files in OneDrive or SharePoint, and stay version controlled. That means your team can revisit an idea generated last week, refine it, and track how it evolves. The new collaboration features extend into Teams as well. During meetings, Copilot now provides share summaries, decision highlights, and action items that can be added directly into a page. Each participant can build on those outputs together, using Copilot as a real-time co-author. For instance, if a marketing meeting ends with a campaign outline, Copilot automatically creates a shared page where the team can draft messaging, timelines, and visuals all within one workspace. Because this feature is integrated into Microsoft's trusted environment, privacy and permissions remain consistent. Only authorized users can access or edit pages, and AI-generated content inherits the same data protection rules as other Microsoft 365 files. Copilot works entirely within your organization's security boundary, ensuring collaboration stays compliant while scaling creativity. Currently, Copilot Pages and the collaboration features are rolling out to Microsoft 365 Business and education accounts with SharePoint or OneDrive access. Experience is optimized for Teams, Word, and Microsoft 365 web app with mobile support on the way. Early feedback from pilot users highlights faster brainstorming, smoother content development, and reduced duplication across departments. In short, Copilot's new collaboration capabilities mark a shift from personal productivity to shared intelligence. By merging AI generation, teamwork, and persistence into one unified experience, Microsoft is turning Copilot into a true team assistant, one that not only helps individuals work smarter, but helps groups create, decide, and deliver together. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.